Welcome to Me Wings, English Basic to Advanced. How are you? How have you been? I am fine. I am doing great. Thanks for asking. What are you doing? What are you up to? Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. I woke up late. I overslept today. I am eating lunch. I am grabbing a quick bite. I am very busy. I am swamped with work. Let's go outside. Let's step out for some fresh air. I agree with you. I am on board with that. I am just joking. I am just pulling your leg. Hurry up. Get a move on. Calm down. Take it easy. That's not fair. That's unjust. It's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. I am confused. I am perplexed. He is very rich. He is wealthy. He is very poor. He is destitute. Thanks for watching.